scene of crime, but cavity's not there. Of crime, but cavity's not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, my cavity's not there. It is a cat, he's very tall and thin. You will know him if you saw him, for his eyes. He's always wide awake. Cavity, my cavity, there's no one like my cavity. Oh, he's a vindictive, I say, a monster of gravity. You may meet him in a bathroom, you may see him in a track, but when the crime's discovered, then my cavity's not there. Don't wanna hear it. I'm just whispering so much about it. My words of Scotland Young. Oh, when the water's looking for the jewel case is rifled. Oh, when the milk is missing. Oh, when the milk is typhoid. Or the greenhouse is broken. And the trees the thing, my cavity's not there.